In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to change our Steam username login. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you can see, if you want to attempt this, you can try this out at the Steam support page over at help.steampowered.com. In this page, the official Steam support, you can just scroll down until you see the Search Issues, Features and Games. Using this search bar, you can simply type Steam ID. Steam ID is what Steam calls the username that you use to log in. As you can see, if you scroll down into the support articles, the first one tells us what we're looking for: Steam ID, Steam account names, merging accounts and deleting accounts. When you arrive at this page, you can see that the second option answers what we're looking for. Can my Steam ID and/or Steam account name be changed? And as you can see, your Steam ID and Steam account name cannot be changed even by Steam support members, staff members. Your player name can be changed at any time from your profile. What this means is that it is impossible to change the username that you use to log into Steam. As they clearly state here, even by Steam support staff members, the Steam ID is impossible to be changed and you need to use it to log into your account forever. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that from the official Steam support, they state that it's impossible to change the username that you use to log in. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.